Good morning to all our awesome friends. We're having, instead of Tea Tuesday, we're having Wine Tuesday because we're doing crafts today. And you know, Grandma is not very good at crafts, so she needs a lot of help to keep working on this craft project.
That's what she said. She needed alcohol.
So we are doing a fall wreath, and show your little wheel.
So it's just a little wheel that she got from
Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
And some of these flowers and leaves are from Dollar Tree, and the other ones are from Walmart. So they're all from Walmart or Dollar Tree. And the ribbons you got online, right?
Yeah, I got online and I just made a simple bow. I'm really not good at making bows, but you know, it's better than nothing.
Well, let's start doing our crafting and we can visit at the same time.
Okay.
And
I just wanted to let you know that this right here is my my quarterly check. I'm sorry, my can't even talk. My royal check. It's a canister, but I'm doubling it as a wine cooler. So there's different ways to use your items. So, all right, so we're gonna start. And Mom's already making a mess.
Mom will clean the mess up when she's
Good thing
done.
I decided not to put a tablecloth on here because
You might have been better if you'd put some newspaper down.
There's hot glue going there. Why don't you just lay it like that?
Well, I don't do crafts, guys.
More alcohol, please.
Gosh, don't make fun of me.
I'm not making fun of you.
You know, and now the wind's coming up. Just what we needed. Have leaves going everywhere.
It's like, what happened? First it was hot, and now it's like going everywhere.
Yeah, we never know how the weather in California is going to be. We can guarantee it's going to be hot, but you just don't know. There's no cool time. It won't cool down until October here.
I don't know. This glue is going to hold this piece. It's kind of heavy. I might have to give it
Another piece, huh?
another stick of glue here. Alright, so let's see. The piece that I had originally glued didn't even stay. Well, how about that? You need to have some... Carlos. Oh, sorry. Do you have, I saw on TV they use the, what do you call it? The zip ties. Do you have zip ties?
How big you
If you have small ones.
I don't know, I might.
Because I saw that girl uses zip ties on some of her stuff, the heavier stuff.
Yeah.
Like, see, that just came right off, didn't even stay on. Somebody being obnoxious out there on the street.
It's always fun here.
Yeah, this plant is pretty heavy. I don't know if it's gonna...
Well, that's why I wanted to pull everything apart and do it.
Yeah, maybe that's what I have to do on this. Just pull
Yeah.
the leaves off.
Yeah, we're going to have fun cleaning up all the glue.
We?
I said I would help. Gosh, didn't you?
Never mind, never mind. Sorry, thank you. Sorry, thank you. We don't know what we're doing. We're just doing it. Mom's making a mess with the glue gun.
Come on, you know I am not a crafter, guys. Stop giving Mom a hard time. I'm not a crafter by nature. You're going to have hot glue everywhere.
Again, good thing we
Do not put a
have
table.
a glass.
Oh, give me some more wine. I need it bad now.
I'm glued to the table.
And you're talking about me. Oh, well, I'm glued too.
You're glued to the table too?
Yes.
Carlos is like, What are you doing to my table?
Well, Carlos, we promise that we'll clean up our mess. That's about all I can tell you. Oh my gosh, have I eaten a mess? This video might have to go on forever. This could easily be.
This might not be our forte, Mom. Because I'm almost feeling like I'm doing a really crappy job.
Well, I never said I was a crafter. I just said all my crafting buddies are always joining me. Okay, Carlos, do me a favor. Go down around there and shut it off long enough for us to get something done. Well, it was taking us too long, and you can see all the glue all over the table. You know, my son-in-law is going to love that. But Grandma will clean it up, and he'll never know. I've gotten one flower on, and I just wanted to show you what I've managed to accomplish. And I'm going to put some more leaves and put the second flower on. And it will look something like this, and then we'll have the bow like that when I'm done. Something similar to that. And that's probably about all I'm going to do, because this could end up being a 4 or 5 hour project if I want to do the whole wreath. But I thought it turned out pretty nice, and I didn't really buy a lot of sunflowers either. Guess I should have bought more to begin with. Okay. You want me to show? Nope. She doesn't want me to show you an update of hers yet.
It's a mess.
It's a mess, she says. Well, Grandma is so happy that hers looks as good as it does, considering that she's not a crafter. Well, this is Grandma's. I thought it turned out pretty nice. Had to have 2 glasses of wine to finish it. But we got it finished. Right, Debbie?
Yep.
And I guess I cheated a little. I got 3 flowers and she only got 1. Does that sound evil if you're her mom? Let's go check out Debbie's. One is Debbie's. Didn't it turn out really nice? Looks really nice with our pumpkins. Don't you think, Debbie? I thought so.
Mm-hmm. I stopped quarter way because I got frustrated and said, forget it, can't do it.
Grandma just kept drinking wine and finished hers.
Well, I kept drinking wine and I still couldn't finish. I was enjoying the wine too much. I was like, who cares about the flowers?
Well, anyway, first time we've done crafting by the pool. I thought it turned out pretty good, considering that it's really hot out here.
And there's no pool in the background.
Hey, there's a pool. Hey, I'm going to share a pool with you. Just hang in there. Well, here it is. Right by the pool. She wanted to make sure you knew we were by the pool. She wanted it all in one frame. This is the one that Grandma did, and 2 glasses of wine helped me get through it. Well, I hope you enjoyed what we did today. I'm sorry this crafting thing went really long. I bet we spent a good hour on this, and we didn't think you'd want to listen to us yell and cuss and say bad things while we were trying to get it to stick. So we had to cut it off. But we showed you the beginning and we showed you the end. How good of us, right, Debbie?
Yep.
Couldn't get this one to balance, so my daughter's holding it in place. This is the one my daughter did, and I thought it turned out really pretty. And I loved how these plants turned out so pretty and how the bow worked in there so well. Let me know what you think. Leave us a comment. We worked very hard and 2 glasses of wine. I thought we did pretty good. Glad we still are able to walk. Bye-bye to all of you that stayed to the very end. I really appreciate all the love and support you always show. Kisses and hugs. Don't forget, we put this up every Tuesday, so make sure you come back next Tuesday and see what we put together next Tuesday or talk about.
Pool
Sometimes,
time.
huh?
Go ahead.
Pool time?
Yes.
She's ready for the pool, she says. I guess we're all jumping in the pool now. See you later. Take care, guys. We'll have something new and different each week, so sometimes it'll be crafts, sometimes we'll just be talking. But there'll always be something on Tea Tuesday or Wine Tuesday. This week it was Wine Tuesday.
There should be Tea Tuesday and Wine Wednesday.
I don't think I could do crafts every week. Once a week is really a lot for Grandma. All things. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Take care.